Yo, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Welcome to this trading live session. I'm not live, but I'm just gonna do it in real time. So, let's get really fast to get our bias, cause this looks like it's ripping up right now. It's about to get my mic closer. Um, yeah, if this closes below this line. But in this movement down, I would like to see more bullish confirmation. Or not. I don't like entering on the first inverse that I see. So I'm just gonna wait a bit more. Let's see. Let me go to the 1 hour really quick. We're coming from nothing, and that's where we're staying right now. From nothing. This inverse, I like this inverse a lot. Um, Down here it's not telling us anything. What I like the most is this displacement up. We inverse this. Looks like we respected this gap even though we wicked down on it, but we're still showing respect to it since we closed inside of it. Let me fix this. I think that's fixed. I would like to come up here, get a setup to come up here, because once we're up here, we're gonna be inside these bearish gaps, and then we got this other high right here, and we're really perfect to take longs right now. So waiting for a long setup wouldn't be that bad here. Oh my god, I deleted the line. There. Let me see what the fib says. Ooh, the fib says right here, it's good for shorts. I don't use this fib, but I just like to put it on the chart just in case something. I don't know. I'm more confident for a trade if I find a setup here. Yeah, I'll wait for a long setup here. Oh my god, this would have been so good. This to here. 31 points. No! Oh my god. Well, not actually, because as I say, I don't have any support to take this trade from, so this is just like the first inverse on this whole range down that we see. So in most cases it just goes up here and just keeps going down. So I don't trust this kind of V-shape setups here. What I wait is for more confirmation, like going down a bit, finding some kind of support here, inversing a gap here, boom, going just a tiny bit on the gap, boom, right there, and just once you're on this gap here, once you inverse this gap here, you want to enter here, and you have your break even on this line right there, and then just go up from there like that. You want to see this on the chart, but man, but sometimes these longs here, these V-shaped longs worked, But sometimes they don't. Most of the times they don't. So more reason not to take them. Um, that could have been support right there, kind of. But I like to see my support on the same time frame that I'm trading my stuff. I don't like to see my support one thing, my support in one time frame, my fair value up on another time frame, just everything on one time frame. Uh, 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 um, Let me open my laptop. No, is he dead? My gosh. Close it. Yeah, I mean, we could really find a better setup if we go down from here, respect one of these bullish gaps here, like this one, inverse a gap here, boom, go down a bit, enter here on this bullish candle that did the inverse, and just rip up to these highs right there, and break even right there. That would have been the best setup ever. But let's see if it gives to us. Yeah, this bullish gap is really, it would be really good to take a long from. There are some people that actually top take this thing by placing the GAN box. Um it's really weird though, because you need some kind of you need more traits to be hitting this kind of support here, and then just another swing low somewhere else to actually hit the spot. It's really weird. Let's see if I can find an example while we wait for a setup. I think the 5 minute. Let me see this right here. You see, but this one didn't work as much. It wasn't that good. Wait, hold on, we're going down. Um, Alrighty. Do we have any news for today? Forex Factory. 24, 25, 26. What is the date? The 9th. Yeah, 9 we have news. Alright. It was consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. That's nice, that's nice. Come on, don't tell me you're just gonna go up from this inverse here. You can't be telling me this. Um, this one would have been good. Well, not really. I think it hits the middle mark. This one's bad. Yeah, it's really hard to identify one because I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. Let's see this one. Nope. Wait, no, you have to do it like this, backwards. Oh, let's see. Come on, and you give me a trade over here. Just go down a bit, enter this bullish gap, and just give me that trade. Let me see if this works for something. Not on that range. Let me see on this range, maybe. Oh wait, no. This range. Almost. It has to be. There has to be like a confluence, together with this fib for it to work. Um. Mm, What is this chop that we're doing right now? What is this? What is this? Come on, you don't tell me this is what you're gonna be doing today. You know, I've seen a pattern that every session nowadays that we open is just a dump, some recovery, and just some accumulation. Then just volume dies. That's it. That's all we're getting right now on this uh general price action. Oh, hold on though. We might have something here. Okay. 27. Come on, IQ, respect this gap. Come on. Don't go below it. Don't go down no more. Don't you dare go down more. No, no, no. Close the candle. And just go up. Nope, not going up. Okay. As long as we don't inverse this whole gap here, we don't close below it. It's alright if we wick down from it, but not close the whole gap. I like these gaps right here. Man, this gap was really good because it was the lowest gap that we have from the whole range here. And it was mitigated, and man, it was so good. It would have been such a good candle to take the trade from. But I didn't saw it. That's alright. Okay. But I don't like taking a trade from this inverse here if it inverses. Because he'll be like there. And then if it gives us a nice stop loss, it'll be a really good trade. Maybe break even here. My god. There you go. Break even right there. Break even. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't give us a open bullish gap that you could retrace back down from. Like if this is open here and our entry is like up here, stop loss would have been right here on 58, because you don't want to have your stop loss above an open gap, so just in case it goes down and recover from that gap. But that would have been the setup right there. Where would it be the setup? All right. As long as we have the candle that closes this gap has some kind of displacement, nice displacement, is gonna be a good trade. Mm-hmm. Come on, and can recover from it. If we go down from here, close below this, we're definitely gonna go to its lows here. Because after this gap here, there's just wicks all over here. There's nothing that can stop the bearish momentum from going down. You put the line. Or even go even lower because there's also nothing here. But that's just a lot of points there. Oh. Well, if we inverse this gap, this is already mitigated by this, so we could be seeing this highs getting hit, and after those highs, maybe this highs here. It could be a really nice long, but if we go, but it looks like we don't want to go down right now because he's rejecting a lot from this wicks here. All right. I think this is like a 30-second bullish gap here. I think there is a 30-second bullish gap. Let me check. 30-second. No, it has to be a 50-minute then. No, a 15-second. Yeah, you see there's a 15-second open bearish gap here. But I'll count this as my support. Come on, don't close too high. Don't close too high. I want at least 9 points of difference from my entry to my break-even point. Alright, we can go down. Let me wait to see if that inverses. Oh man, NQ's just, don't tell me it's just gonna do the same as yesterday where it's just gonna chop like this. Boom, 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 boom. It's just gonna stay inside a range the whole day. Come on, man, Q, at least give me some volume up, some volume down. No, don't start consolidating now, NQ, please. This plays higher. I'm really aiming for longs. You already inverse this. We should be running straight for this highs here. But man, oh man. Price action is just insane right now. Man, my question here is if we go above this bearish gap here after all this accumulation, is it a good setup or a bad setup? Even though we would have nice displacement, I think it will be good because that means this bearish gap, it already did what it did, but it still failed to support this and go down. So if we displace higher with the nice candle right now, a nice full candle, it would be good for longs, but it looks like it still wants to consolidate inside this range. Man, oh man. Let me change this. Got Tuesday we got news. We got CPI, core PPI. Oh my god. We got a lot of news on Wednesday. Got no news on Friday. It looks really good. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, AQ. Come on. Don't just stay inside that range, please. It looks like he end up respecting this bearish gap here. Oh. But again, we could be coming down and just go up again. Just make a huge wick up. Also, this other entry, this inverse here would have been good, but we also are right where we stopped. We have a bearish gap there. Now always take in consideration those little gaps that the market gives or the market has, because they could really take a trade down instantly. But luckily this one just keep going up. Someone took it maybe. Uh, it would be so good if we inverse this gap here, because then we have all this free leverage to just go up, just start hitting all these ranges here. It would be amazing. Oh. All right. This displacement is a lot nicer, but there is no support. Man, oh man. I will not take this trade. There's no support from this trade. Oh my god, please. This is such a nice trade, but man, oh man. There's not any support to hold this trade. Like, this trade could easily, you enter here, but this trade could easily go all the way over here to retest this unmitigated bullish gap and just go up from there. That's how freaked the market is. And that's like, how many points is this? 70 points. Nah, I prefer to hold it. I prefer to hold it. I guess NQ doesn't wants to be the respectful little boy and just give everybody a free 66 points. Oh man, the NQ that I know is heartless and ruthless NQ where it give you the nice displacement candle like this after a close of an inverse, but then boom, like a candle like this, it makes a bearish candle the same way all the way over here, and then just go up from there. But it looks like today NQ is just behaving. What kind of Christmas song is this? No, no, don't. Come on, come on, come on, come on, IQ. Mm. Please, thank you. Man. It would have been so good that after all this you have this gap right there. Go down. Um Go somewhere inside the range of this gap. Respect this bullish gap and then boom, big candle up. And we would have the perfect entry here. And just go up from there. But man, oh man. Man, what is this? What is this displacement? Like this 82 point? Are you sure? I don't think a lot of traders would have taken this trade, because they would have needed 82 points to actually have a nice decent setup for this trade, and just have a TP of, I don't know, going that high. Oh, well, there's no way they're gonna risk going up from this range, specifically from this swing low, because there is nothing stopping this to go lower to take this sell side. There's absolutely nothing. Now we're just gonna hit the highs out of nowhere. Man. Man, what the? I'll make $12,000 in 2 minutes. Everybody it's taking that long. Oh my god. Everybody's probably took this long. But it doesn't make sense to take this long. It makes absolutely no sense. You have this huge mitigated bullish gap that could get mitigated anytime, and you still took a long. I haven't taken a trade. You know why? I took a trade, but it was a losing trade. It was a perfect setup. The price action just displays like 4 points below my stop loss and just went up. My stop loss was a really good stop loss as well, but my god. Ooh, there's no words to describe this displacement. Just wow. Like from the bottom to up here is 200 points. Man, what the hell? Oh my god. Ah, yep, it already reaches this unmitigated. Oh well, it's already mitigated, but it reaches this bearish gap. Probably gonna go down. Or maybe saving for this higher gap here. But man, oh man. We even end up inversing this one here. But I'm not gonna take this inverse here. After all this chopped going down here. Nah, it's not worth it. None of it is worth it. let's take a let's take let's take a trade on the on the back test on a back testing session. I feel like I need to take a trade. Let's go to the 30-minute. It's 11:30. Let's go to 9. Nope. 3, 4, 7:30. I think that's 9. 9. We are inside this range. There's not another range lower than this. There is more, but that one's the lowest one we have. I'm not gonna take this. It would already past my break-even zone, so I'm not taking that. It goes higher, of course.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. Asana AI can spot roadblocks and assign work to keep.
Also, taking this would have been like stop loss of 76 points. I would take this right here. I like the displacement. We have support here. We have more support here. The inverse sucks ass. But let's see. Yeah, it would have been break even right there. Oh my god, nothing. It's a break even. Let's take another one. I think that's good. 9, perfect. Perfect 9. We're displacing higher out of that support. Yeah. Go higher, go higher. I like this. That's my support. I'm gonna take this long. 37 points. 2. I'm gonna aim for those highs right there. Reject enough of this. I would have been break even on this one. I would have been right there, break even. Because I don't like rejecting with these huge candles right there. I like when if I want to take a trade, I like for my trade to have clean displacement. And no wicks coming down on my trade. So yep, there you go. But I would have re-enter here, because this is a nice re-enter for this trade. I will even go 26 points, because we got support here, inverse this, and all this just good leverage, free money. There you go. Boom. There you go. A piece of the pie. You only need you only need a piece of the pie. Mm. Oh my god, bro. What am I looking at here, bro? Oh my god. This can be so painful to watch. Man, I just hope it's 11 already, cause so I can get out of here, cause man, this is some buns price action, buns. Nine. Looking at this, I'll go higher. I mean, all in this range right here. We're probably gonna go down this range. But we're definitely gonna see displacement higher, more displacement higher than displace lower. Now let's see. Let me delete this. I'm not gonna take this. When there's a range like this where you're suspecting bearish the whole range, I'm not gonna take the first rock. This is exactly what I tell you guys that happens. Don't take the first inverse, because it might look good with displacement and everything. You know, you might have a support, this big support, but even though it's on the 15-minute, and I always say that take your support on the 1 minute. Well, or everything on your same time frame, but on this range is down, it's a bad thing to do. You know, I wouldn't mind taking this short. Well, I would have been break even by now with this short. Like, it would have been like this, enter here. Wait, did we break this? Yeah, we broke it. But yeah, I would have been break even right there, maybe. Yeah, broke even. Now, because we see that we're starting to not respect bearish, I'm more inclining to take this trade right here and just go out from there. 87 points. Let's see. That would have been my break even right there. And this would have been my break even. Broke me even. And thank God it did. What is this? What are we doing? If we don't go down here, I'm not gonna take any longs today. Like, I'm cooked. Like, the whole session, it keeps just giving setups to everybody. Bad setups, because these are not good setups to trade. Let's keep going with this. Yeah, this is cooked. The price action over. Day is over. There you go. 8, 9. That's good. Yeah, I would say we could still go down from there. But let's see. Oh my god. 928. Yeah, the whole session is gone, right? Let's see if we could have taken a trade here. Not really. Maybe this, but I don't like it. Yep, first inverse on the whole range got not respected. Now I don't have support for that trade. I was thinking about taking this. I mean this inverse here for a long, but there's not support for that trade. I always need my support. Mm, 630, 930. That's so good. Let's see. Chop, 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 chop. We are chopping. Okay, first inverse. Chop, 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 chop the whole session. Yep. Chop here, chop here. Displacement, just a dump here. Yeah, it's over. $630. 8, 9. Let's see. Alright, it looks like we're coming down. Oh. I doubt we're gonna take a trade. No, I missed it. I skipped it. $930. That's still good. Hold on here. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not taking this. Entering this bearish gap right there. There you go. Immediate reaction down. If we inverse that, okay, I'm gonna enter long. I would enter long here. Stop loss 31 because I don't wanna miss. You know, a little bit breathing room for this. 57. Break even by right there. And broke me even. Let's go. The volume of the dooms of the dooms. This doesn't look bad as well. It's a 2 minute. No, I'm not gonna take this. There's a 5 minute gap there. No support from this. It's already 12. Let's wait and see what NQ wants to do right now. Because right now it looks like it wants to draw a mountain. Let's try to draw a mountain with NQ. Let's see. What's the pencil? Ba-bum. Where is the pencil? The brush. So what NQ wants to do is create some kind of mountain here. Boom. Boom. Mountain. Poof. But let's. No, I deleted it. Crap. Let's make it again. Right there. Now let's make it what color? Like brown? There's no brown here. White mountain. Snow mountain. Let's put the highlighter. What color is this? Make it this. No, that's too. That doesn't look like snow. This looks like snow more. There you go. There you go. And let's add some white. What did it turn white? No. Oh my god, this is so dumb, bro. This is so dumb. I just want to take a trade, NQ. And you're giving this half-made setups. 2 setups that I could have taken, but they are the worst of the worst. I'm just gonna wait. Hmm. We watch some TikToks. TikTok time. Why can't I listen to anything? What? Is it because of this? Uh, Let me go lower. Let me listen to this, please. Hmm. Why can't I listen to you? Oh, there you go.
Blanco, I win!
Hey, Mr.
This
Boss.
show,
Sorry
I haven't
about
watched
the
this show, but
hot
this show
dog
looks so
incident
fun.
before.
No, it's okay, Alan. I want you to have a nice vacation. And I don't want you stressed and working all the time. It's not good for you, man.
Well, I guess I can try to relax for a bit. What are you doing here?
Playing Blanco. Want to join?
Sure.
Oh, my cookies are done! Yay!
This guy creeps me out.
Ooh, cookies. How delectable. May I have a cookie, Mr. Boss?
Alan, what are you doing all the way over there? I can barely hear you. Cookie delivery for Alan?
Where do I sign?
Nowhere. It's free.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
What the hell?
More emails. You know what? Fuck this effing laptop. I'm on vacation!
That was a work laptop, Alan, but I am happy for you.
My God. Sorry to put my backpack through this. 133, 132. That is just insane. I've seen people, well, when I'm going to the gym, going so fast, and I can just hear, boom. I think like having a bike is like one of the most insane experiences you could have.
By the way, I just wanted to bring this up. I saw you take a picture of
This your car? I needed the money.
Apple Pay prank or drone. Yeah, we're doing nothing on Q right now. Absolutely nothing. Busted.
Sorry.
I'm sorry?
He just tapped your
Yeah,
phone.
he did. Why did he do that?
He just did the same thing to me. I needed 20. I gotta get my money. I gotta get my money somehow.
Yo.
Well, it's funny because I ain't got no money on my phone.
Okay?
What do you know?
No, 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 no. No, no. Don't run. No. Don't run. No. 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 You're not going. No. No.
What the?
With Shopify.
Oh yeah. Beautiful pattern. I hate people that trade patterns. Well, I don't hate them, but I just know that they have such a long way to go from trading patterns to actually having a strategy. That is insane. They have at least months of watching YouTube videos to find their own strategy after just trading patterns. I used to trade patterns on Forex. Don't get me wrong, I used to be a pattern trader.
What do you mean there's no reservation for Trump? I called months ago.
This guy is going 86 and it looks so slow. But once they're going 136, it's crazy. 144. Damn, damn, damn. No, he got it. The card guy got it.
Thanks everyone for coming to the supper room for Christmas dinner.
Father, may I have some peas, please?
In Charleston, the ladies are taking the lead.
Choosing single.
Friendships. That's Charlie.
I like Craig.
Flirtations.
I feel like Alan is my favorite character.
That's weird. I guess I'm the only one that's not cursed.
What the-
No, I was always like this. Me was born this way.
This homeless man won't leave, so I'm spraying him with dirty brown water.
Stop, man. Stop it, but buzz off, why don't you? I hate this red thing. I'll spit on you.
What kind of show is this?
Father, may I
They have such a
some
weird
peas,
things in this show.
please? Yes, you may, son.
Let's look at NQ. Yeah, the volume is dead on NQ. I mean, it's not worth taking a trade right now. Oh my god, it's been 9 days since the new year that I haven't taken a trade. Where is the volume? Where is Spider-Man? We're just displacing low, consolidating, and then displacing higher for no reason. The displacements make no reason. And then we consolidate, and then we make one more displacement somewhere. And then volume dies. Then that's it. And if you trade from 11 to 12, you're just gonna see some little candles forming, just a line down, something like wait, where's a pencil, something like this, that all those little candles, you're gonna see a bunch of little candles just making that displacement down, which is insane. No, now to get rid of all this. Bum, 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 bum. Of course, I get rid of the line. I mean, if I don't find a trade right now, I'm just gonna call it a day, because I don't even. I mean, I'm not gonna find a trade, but I'm still gonna wait till 11. But I really doubt we're gonna take a trade. Watch a couple more TikToks.
Thank you for asking me nicely.
What the freak?
Nutritious.
There is no way. This show. What is this show about?
I'll come you out, you crazy character.
What is this show
Are you
about?
affected by that? Whatever's supposed to be happening?
Excuse me, all Walmart customers. If you get butt-ass naked, everything is for free. If you get butt-ass naked,
Who is on the
3, third place goes to Brian. Uh-oh, somebody beat Brian. Okay, second place goes to Lily. And first place goes to... 3, third place
Yo,
goes to...
it's crazy. Oh, I love this. This is insane. This has to be somewhere in Europe. Or like in Russia. I think these guys are Russian or something. Boom. Is that soy sauce? Bro, aim is so bad. Yo. Those are not even full.
How do you know this girl, bro?
So she sits in front of me in econ class. During lectures, we just kind of sit there and talk.
Oh, wait, you talk to her a lot?
Yeah. I've never texted her till right now. We were just talking on Instagram, so like I know she's on her phone.
Text her and be like, Tess, are you up? She said, wait, is this Jake? Ooh. Be like, nah, it's your future man. She said, huh? Oh, no. She said, so it's not Jake? Oh, my God. Just be like, just kidding, it's Jake. She said, oh, that was random. Be like, yeah, you being in my mind tonight was kind of random, too. She said, ooh, that was alright. Ooh, better. Oh, wait, hold on, that's good. Oh my God, I got a perfect shot. You're like, why don't you teach me to do better? Oh.
Yo.
Wait, she likes it. What does that even mean? Oh my God. Is this Jake?
Jake Riz.
Be like, I'm better at rizzing in person. Why don't you Be like, we're always in class. Maybe if you're free this weekend, I could take you out. She said, bro, are you good?
Yo, bro, it's crazy.
Oh! Be like, say this. Wait, you knew me.
That's crazy.
So that makes New Year, new us?
Yo. That's crazy.
Anywhere as long as I'm with you. She said, okay, I love you. She said, but. She said, hey, we're going to
Yo.
make plans.
Panera right off the campus.
Does she like that place?
Yeah, she talks about it all the time.
Be like, I could pick you up. We could go to Panera since I know you like that spot. She said, OMG, hold on. I love Panera.
You actually listen or not?
Text her and say, how could I not? Be like, I could do more than just listen.
Yo.
Running to Panera,
These guys are insane. Yeah, it's 11. It's cooked. It's cooked, guys. It's GG's. But let me watch this TikTok.
Be like, I can't wait till next week. Let's do something tomorrow. Say we should go ice skating since you like hockey too. I'm hanging with my girls tomorrow. Oh my god! Panera is
They can skip.
Oh my god. Be like, well, you're the perfect date.
That's good. That's good.
Say, I'll pick you up tomorrow at 4. It's a date. She's like,
Green.
hit it with 3 hands. Come on, show me your face cam. Come on, let's fucking how do you know
That is insane. But what I was mad, remember we're single. Oh my god. New Year, New Us, the way he was moving. Well guys, I guess that is it for this trading session. We got nothing. We came with nothing and we got out with nothing as well. Because this trading price action is just insane. We didn't find our setup. We find a half cooked setup, but not exactly our setup. So we didn't took any trades. We have 2 chances to take inverse. It was this one and right here, but both of those did not complete the entire setup. They were just halved bake setups, so they were bad. Always try to check your setups as you think they should be. Do not take setups that the market gives you because it looked pretty. No, look for your setups. Always look for your setups. Well, that will be all for today, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.